Hello viewers. Today, we are covering the 5 best HID headlight bulbs on the market, which are the best for you considering some unavoidable factors that you might miss out without watching this video. Here, we are going to give you an impartial review to find the best from a plenty of irrelevant products. If you want more information and updated pricing of the products mentioned in the video, be sure to check the links in the description below. So, let's get started. Number 1. Our overall best pick for the money is Sylvania D1S HID Lamp. Selected from an array of options which have an acceptably high sample size of reviews, the Sylvania D1S earns many kudos from actual people who have forked over their hard-earned cash. In this day and age, decision-making is becoming increasingly more social, so this metric carries weight. This bulb carries weight, too. Its lighting is sourced from a plasma discharge rather than a filament, said to provide brighter illumination but consume less energy than bulbs of a different design. Compatible with cars that deploy D1S headlamp optics, the Sylvania unit is purported to arrive in a damage-resistant box that helps prevent issues with ham-fisted delivery drivers. Its well-known brand name doesn't hurt its standing either. Pros: highly reviewed, fits OEM applications of this type. Cons: sold in singles, produces 4300K illumination. Number 2. Our second best pick is HYB 8000K35W Auto Xenon HID. Stock 55W halogen lamps can only produce about 1000 lumens of light, while a 35W xenon lamp, such as this one, produces 3200 lumens of light. Basic math teaches that's a 300% increase. These bulbs satisfy both claims, along with being offered in all 7 varieties of popular factory HID connector types. I am not convinced of the seller's argument that halogen bulbs last only 500 hours, since that translates to less than a year's use if one is driving in the dark for 2 hours per day. Personal experience shows halogens last much longer than that amount of time. Pros: available in popular HID bulb types. Cons: questionable claims about competitors. Number 3. Our third best pick is Car Rover 10000K35W HID Xenon Headlight. Venturing into brands whose names are seemingly assembled from random words, these HID replacements are rated at an illumination of 10,000K, meaning they will cast an outrageously blue light color. It'll be almost violet, in fact, bordering on purple. Take this into consideration before unholstering your debit card for these bulbs. Fitting a variety of OEM housings originally designed for HIDs, these bulbs are compatible with an array of factory fittings. Except for the 10,000K color temperature, the rest of the seller's claims line up with the myriad of other choices in the HID replacement market. Power consumption is 35W per bulb, brightness is around 4500 lumens, and they hold an IP67 waterproof rating. In a unique addition, the product description goes on to describe the company's production and testing process. Pros: very affordable, plenty of connector options, unique color hue. Cons: unique color hue. Number 4. Our fourth best pick is Philips Standard Authentic Xenon HID Headlight Bulb. If it says authentic right in the title, it must be the real deal, right? Well, we hope so. The Philips name is widely copied and counterfeited in the HID black market, a seedy underbelly of the automotive aftermarket that I choose to believe is populated with people clandestinely selling HID bulbs out of unmarked cases and long trench coats. This seems to be the real McCoy, with the seller stating that every genuine Philips HID bulb features a certificate of authentication on its packaging which can be verified through a QR code or Philips website. It would be more reassuring to be able to carry out this confirmation in person rather than after you've paid for it online. As for the bulb, it is allegedly DOT compliant and available in no fewer than 11 different manufacturer standards, the most we've seen on a single product offering. Positive reviews are plentiful, many of which were posted just days before the writing of this post. Pros: recognizable brand name, promises of authenticity, many varieties of connectors. Cons: expensive, sold in singles. Number 5. Last but not the least, our fifth best pick is RCP 6000K Xenon HID Diamond White. A color rating of 6000K sits squarely in the middle of the headlamp spectrum, emitting neither a stock-looking yellow nor bystander enraging blue. With a bright white beam, drivers should be able to see farther down the road and avoid Bullwinkle before he pops out of the bush and onto the pavement. Wattage and the estimated lifespan of this lamp are all said to be well within the industry standards. The company appears to have copy and pasted large swaths of narrative from its LED offerings, a decision which does not evoke confidence in the item shown here. A product description assembled from mildly mangled English may also give some shoppers pause. Pros: very agreeable pricing, video reviews from customers, quick shipping. Cons: questionable marketing materials, reports of different than advertised illumination color. So, grab this while you can. Be sure to check the links in the description below. That's all for this review. Feel free to share your feedback.
Like, comment and share our video. Do subscribe and hit the bell icon to get more videos like this in future. Thanks for watching.